there's two bolts at the back that are securing the mudguard, and if you unscrew those, there's enough play in the mudguard to get access to unscrew the rear brake caliper. You have to use a wrench behind it to unscrew it. Using pliers to squeeze the little terminator lets you just pull it right off, and then you can unscrew and put the new caliper on. Now I'm doing the front. Somehow this video got mirrored to be on the opposite side, which is a bit confusing. Very annoyingly, the cheap radius brakes cannot be removed without sliding them off the end of the handlebar, so you have to take everything off of the handlebar. When configuring the new brake caliper, I had it a little bit loose and I tried to spin it so that it would spin freely, wiggle it around a little bit and then secure it. And here I'm just using an alcohol cleaner to clean the caliper. I think I might have brushed it with my arm. Ideally you wear gloves for this so that you don't get oil on the caliper, but I also wanted to clean off the old brake dust. It was much easier to align the brake than on the old radius brakes with the hydraulic caliper. Front line is a little bit shorter than the factory one, so I didn't zip tie it in together with the rest of the cables, but still works. Back when I cut a small slot for relief on the mud guard, otherwise same routing as factory. Length on the rear in the kit was perfect.